You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names, including from the Bible, biblical names and Arabic names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Well, it is often pronounced as Marah, Marah, which would be closer to the original Arabic pronunciation, but it is also said in English as Marah, Marah, or Marah. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.